Greetings from the world of investing, where success depends on knowledge. We'll look at Tesla's intriguing history in this video and discuss why it might be a wise investment. With the launch of the Cybertruck, fully autonomous driving, and the growth of the company's Gigafactory, Tesla has been paving the way to dominate the market in the next 5 to 10 years, even in spite of recent changes in its stock price. We'll also go into the historical patterns of the stock, real estate, and commodity markets, as well as how examining historical patterns and trends in the market can assist you in making wise investing choices. Let's look ahead to 2024 and discuss Tesla's possible future when net profitability is predicted to rise by more than 100%. So take a seat back, unwind, and get ready to travel into the future of investment. Let's discuss why Tesla has record sales, why its stock price has been erratic, and why this offers investors a special opportunity. Despite certain difficulties, including supply chain problems and Shanghai shutdowns, Tesla is still expected to make over 100% of its estimated earnings this year. Tesla's stock price has definitely been impacted by the recent Twitter controversy with CEO Elon Musk posting about taking the business private, but it's crucial for investors to view the wider picture and see past momentary swings. Actually, I think that this controversy has been a godsend for Tesla since it has given the company new chances. Sales of Tesla are still increasing in spite of the Twitter controversy, and the company intends to build a new Gigafactory in Mexico. In fact, Tesla is about to get the final permissions needed to build the Gigafactory, according to a recent announcement made by Samuel Garcia, the governor of Nuevo Leon. With an emphasis on creating next-generation vehicles, this plant will be the biggest electric car production facility in the world. If all goes as planned, Tesla may begin building in March and have its first cars available by 2024. Furthermore, Tesla's recent declaration of a buyback plan valued at between $5 and $10 billion shows the company's self-assurance and willingness to make internal investments. Additionally, this action tells the market that Tesla wants to give its shareholders their money back and feels that its stock is undervalued. With prices per share ranging from $160 to $180, Tesla's stock still offers investors a tremendous chance even though its price has dropped. Having a long-term outlook and seeing the potential in businesses like Tesla is crucial for investors. Despite challenges, Tesla appears more likely to meet its target of producing 20 million cars by the end of the decade or soon after, and the firm is expected to make major strides going forward. Tesla is unquestionably something to think about if you're searching for a wise investment idea. It's hard to say when the price of Tesla stock will ultimately bottom out, if that's your question. However, if you have the correct resources and knowledge like historical charts, you can have a distinct advantage in the stock market game. You can potentially steer clear of expensive blunders and make well-informed investing decisions by examining historical market trends and patterns. Settle in, because I'm about to take you on a trip to 2024 when net income for Tesla is predicted to soar by more than 100%. In the realm of investment, recognizing possible dangers and possibilities in various economic sectors requires a grasp of past trends. Graphs and historical charts can be analyzed to obtain insight into the trends. These tools give investors the ability to track the historical performance of a specific asset or market and can offer insightful data on possible future moves. For instance, a chart showing the history of the stock market over the last 100 years reveals some notable crashes in addition to notable ups and downs. By diversifying our portfolio or avoiding riskier investments during unstable times, for example, we can modify our investment methods in accordance with these historical trends. Historical trends can also be examined in other economic sectors, such as real estate or commodities, in addition to the stock market. We can spot trends and possible investment opportunities by examining the changes in these assets' prices over time. But it's crucial to remember that past performance does not guarantee future results. An asset's past performance does not guarantee that it will continue to perform well going forward. A variety of other variables, including governmental developments, technology breakthroughs, and economic situations, can also have a big influence on how certain assets and markets perform. We can speculate about what Tesla might be up to 5 or 10 years from now. By then, Tesla's profits, which have doubled from 2022, will have eclipsed Apple's in value. With 2.2 million cars sold in 2023 at an average selling price of $45,000, they could potentially earn a net profit of $25 billion. With over 1 million pre-orders, the magnitude of this is simply huge. It's incredible to think that by the late 2020s or early 2030s, Cybertrucks will be throughout the nation. An operating margin of 25% can be achieved with a net income of $25 billion if EV credits are included. Even if the recession continues until 2023, earnings will still amount to $25 billion. Customization of purchases by customers could also pique their interest and result in an even higher sales price. We can anticipate even more rapid gains as we reach the next S-curve in 2024. However, there may be hiccups until at least late 2023, when AI technology has had time to improve upon its blunders. With fully autonomous driving soon to be a reality, we can unwind as our car drives itself. This is great news for Tesla shareholder. That's because the company is going to make a lot of money. This, in my opinion, is Tesla's next great development. If it materializes over the next year or two, investors may consider this to be a significant win. Assuming regulatory approval, the future of transportation appears much more promising than it has in the past. As a result of Tesla's commitment to satisfying customer demands and its intentions to construct a new gigafactory in Mexico, up to 20 million electric vehicles should be on the road by 2030. So grab a seat because the future of transportation appears to be pretty exciting. Hello, I just found out some fascinating Tesla news. Samuel Garcia, the governor of Nuevo Leon, has declared that Tesla is about to obtain the final licenses needed to build a second gigafactory close to the US-Mexico border in Mexico. With a goal of having their first cars ready by 2024, they intend to begin construction of the factory in March. With an emphasis on creating next-generation vehicles, this new factory will be the biggest electric car production facility in the world. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, intends to put in a staggering $5 billion for this initiative. That's not all, though. Additionally, Tesla has stated that it intends to repurchase its shares from the market in 2023. This action demonstrates the company's willingness to invest in itself and its faith in the future. Additionally, it lets the market know that Tesla wants to give its shareholders their money back and thinks the stock is cheap. Companies repurchase shares for a variety of purposes. One of them is to lower the quantity of outstanding shares on the market, which may increase the value of the remaining shares and improve financial indicators such as earnings per share and indicating optimism about potential future growth. Reducing the number of outstanding shares on the market is one rationale, as this can increase the value of the shares that remain. This is due to the possibility that since there are fewer shares available, the market will demand more shares, which could raise the price of the company's stock. Additionally, since the company's earnings are distributed among fewer shares, a decrease in the number of outstanding shares can enhance financial indicators like earnings per share. This may increase the company's appeal to investors and raise the price of its stock. Buybacks are another way for businesses to express their faith in their potential for future growth. Companies effectively indicate that they think their stock is cheap and that they anticipate future growth in earnings and stock price by repurchasing shares using cash on hand. For investors, this is encouraging since it shows that the business is focused on increasing shareholder value and has a promising future. All things considered, analysts and investors are really excited about Tesla's new gigafactory and repurchase plan. It's worthwhile to think about investing in Tesla if you're interested in the possibility. Don't forget to click the like, subscribe, and turn on buttons to receive updates about our most recent videos. You can attain financial freedom and become a wise investor with our advice and insights. Look out for more intriguing stuff and happy investing till the next time. In conclusion, it appears that Tesla has a stronger future than before. In the next 5 to 10 years, Tesla is expected to rule the market thanks to the introduction of the Cybertruck, fully autonomous driving, and the growth of the Gigafactory. Now let's examine why it makes sense to invest in Tesla and delve deeper into its environment. In order to stay up to date with our uploads, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and notification buttons. I'm grateful.